Alright, this is a video on how a portfolio is graded and how it should look. The cover sheet will go in your front portion of your binder. It will show you the objectives that you need to know. You've got to make sure you master each objective. So as you can see, this is Unit 7, More with Matrices. Objective 1 is dealing with Markov chains and population probabilities. You are graded based off of the number of artifacts, the quality of the artifacts, and the accuracy of the artifacts. You'll have checkboxes here where I'll be able to check which one I feel like your objective falls into. Notice the highest grade you can get on that objective is 97, unless you go above and beyond, where you can get +1, +2, or +3. We open the portfolio. Here are some grading reminders. If you are missing an artifact or it is blank, you are going to receive -8. Any incomplete artifacts will be either worth -6, -4, or -2, depending on the degree. Another few reminders: you're going to get 3 points off final portfolio grade for every artifact that I have to move. So if it's in objective 2 and I need to move it to 1, or it's not even in correct order. You're going to get 2 points off final portfolio grade for every objective that does not have a divider or cover page. So over here you can see that I have dividers. Got to make sure you have dividers or a cover page that says which one is objective 1, 2, and 3. All above and beyond work must be placed at the end of each individual objective to receive points, and all workouts must have something called a critical response. I'll just start flipping through it so you can see she has a title page. She even has some things about what we are learning for that objective, and then she begins to do her work. As you can see, each page will have a heading which will tell you which order, which objective, and which artifact it is. So you can see how hers follows along with number 1 and then number 2 and so on and so forth. There's 3. And we'll flip through the rest here until we get to the back. Here is her quiz. She received points off. It was a 31 out of 40. Therefore, you can see in the pink she started to make corrections. Corrections this semester will have to be made on a separate sheet of paper that will be behind the quiz. And then finally at the end, she has placed above and beyond work. In this problem, she's created her own. She researched who Markov was as far as his life. And then she also Googled it and talked a little about that. So she received above and beyond points for that objective. On to objective 2, and the same thing follows. Use what I just told you now, and you'll start to grade some practice portfolios with your group. Thanks.